Dear brothers and sisters, God's kingdom is like a child. It can compare to a child. The child is alive and lively and growing, but it hasn't yet reached maturity, adulthood. It's the same way the kingdom of God. It's in our midst and growing, but it hasn't yet reached maturity. When will the kingdom reach maturity? When will Jesus come in his final glory to claim the kingdom for his Father? The first coming, he's already come, as I told you. The kingdom is growing. Now the final fulfillment will happen suddenly and without a warning. It will catch two people working side by side. One will be prepared, the other will not. This much is certain. Once God's kingdom reaches maturity, the judgment of God will take place as swiftly as vultures circle a dead camel in the desert. So Jesus says, be prepared. Don't be like Noah's children who are eating and drinking, thinking the world will not end. There's no end to eat and drink and make merry, which was the philosophy of the Charvakas, we call them in India. For them, life did not matter because they said there's nothing to live for and it's not going to end. But Jesus warns us. You don't know when he will be coming. If we knew Jesus' second coming were to take place a year from now, how would this knowledge affect our lives? Psalms 90:12 says, teach us how short our life is so that we may become wise.